in for a bummy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got an Ikea haul. So me and Emily went to Ikea today. We went to have lunch out and it was okay, wasn't it? It wasn't too...
Ice cream.
We had an ice cream, yeah. It wasn't too weird. You know, everyone was in masks and you needed to follow a certain way around, but we didn't have to queue for anything, did we? The whole time, so that was good. And yeah, it was all right, wasn't it? I'd say there were some things there wasn't quite as much selection out as there has been in the past. Oh, I wanted some more boxes for Ollie's room, and I wanted a desk chair, which was like one of the main things that I went for, and it had hardly any selection, presumably because, you know, they've been all bought up by people working from home, so that's something I have to keep looking for. I also wanted to share, because this is probably the first time that you would have seen the Cuddle Chair, which is definitely for cuddling. So there used to be a sofa bed here. It was quite big, sofa bed along here, and we probably only used it as a bed a handful of times. I sold it on Facebook Marketplace, and I bought this from Facebook Marketplace for an absolute bargain. I'm so pleased with it. The kids love it. You love it.
I have naps and I read on it.
They completely love it. So one of the things that I wanted to get was a big cushion to go on this comfy chair, and so I got a feather inner, which are always good from Ikea, and I picked up this cover, and you know what, it is so close to the actual material of this. Amazing. It is just so close to it. It matches in really well. So yeah, so we're going to be using that on the cuddle chair. One of the other main things that I wanted to buy was the Scadis pegboard, which I want to use in the study. So just a little bit of an update on that. My study project, I've had to scale it back because we've just been working on the patio non-stop, and my plans to sand the floor and do all of that isn't going to happen at the moment, so I'm just going to do it in stages. The important thing is I wanted to get my desk done, ready, because I'm back to work next week, and the area which is over here behind the camera, which is where I work, I want to get that wall done, the shelf up and everything, so that it's sort of feels, it won't be done, but it will be partly done, and then I can work on the rest. It's really chaotic here. I'll just show you. I'll hand the camera around. It's really chaotic in this room, but I know that there is always like a little bit of pain before you get, you know, to the good stuff. So once the shelf is up, I'm painting a long shelf to go in here. I can put things away onto that shelf and it will feel a lot more organised. So I bought two of the Scadis pegboards. I got one that was 36 by 56, and then the other one is 76 by 56. So I'm gonna put them next to one another on the wall, and I'll just show you like where that inspiration has come from. I want to keep things up on the wall and tidy, but just visually so much nicer than really what I've had there previously, which has just been a blank wall with things stuck up with blue tack. So yeah, so I'm going to be working on putting together a really nice large pegboard on that wall. In the pegboard I got some of these coloured containers that hook up, and you can use them for pens, scissors, bits and pieces like that. I got two of the little shelves that you can put on. I might put books on here, or even like a little plant or something like that. But yeah, you can pretty much put anything on there and just hooks in. I also got two of the Scadis hooks. They also hook into the pegboard, so you can put a book on here or a file or something like that, and that's my plan. And then I got two little clips that also go in, so if I've got a little note that I'm writing to myself, I can put them on the little clip, and there's 2 in the pack. I also picked up a USB charging plug with 3 ports, which I just thought would be handy for everybody in the family. And in a similar vein, I got one of these mobile phone holders that I thought I could put on my desk once it's finished, because I usually have multiple things that I need to look at. It's just helpful to have that raised up. And there is a space for the charger at the bottom, which I really liked. I also picked up one of their cleaning brushes. I absolutely love these for cleaning around the house. I'm going to be using that to clean the shower. And then I got some of their bags, and I know this is boring, and I've mentioned these on my channel before, but I do think they are the best fridge and freezer bags that you can get. I reuse these all the time. I'll wash them out and use them again, and I got the 2 sizes. You get 2 sizes in each pack. They are fantastic, best quality bags that I can find. And then the final thing is that I got some shelf brackets. Now, they didn't have the colour I wanted because I wanted black or grey, and they didn't have either, they just had white. But I'm just going to paint these. They were £3 each, and because I needed 8, they really were the best value item that I could find. Shelf bracket that was sort of inoffensive, that will hopefully look good. So that was the last thing. So we did enjoy our little trip to Ikea. My plan now is to carry on, as I say, in the study. I have done quite a bit to the desk already. There's still a lot more to do, but certainly I will probably share that within another video. So it was good to do this haul. It was great to get out and do something where we kind of felt a little bit normal, going to the shops, which was nice. I'm really excited about my cushion. I'm actually going to open that now and get that set up. I love it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.